Hi traders, so why do you think we actually took this trade, and on what price pattern did we take it, and how do you think we are going to manage this trade as well? So this and more in this live trading session video. Hi traders, welcome to our live trading session video, and thank you for joining the Master the Markets team today and supporting us in our mission to spread the truth of trading and help you achieve consistent performance. It is Stu Napan here, founder of Master the Markets Trades Conference and the Traders Open Day. So here we are on this live intraday trade over here. So what we have actually found over here is, yes, daily is in a downtrend, and this trade is correlating with the daily time frame. Now what we did spot is the first was a breakout of the lower stretch line. Of course, if you're not familiar with these terminologies, please go through our playlist in our YouTube channel that we have put across, that our friendly team in the back end has put across. I'll show that to you guys later as well if I do get time. That is the first thing that is done. The lower stretch line is broken over here on this trade, and then it retraced, okay? And then after that, what we had was in this blue box here, in this 3-bar pattern, is what we call a continuation primary, okay? So all our members who have gone through Traders Basecamp package and all of that will be very familiar with those price patterns. They are very, very powerful, very quantified as well.
If you're enjoying this video, go ahead and smash that like icon. If you haven't joined our channel yet, click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you get notifications immediately when we post up quality content like this, and especially to get our live trading updates sent directly to your phone.
So once we have a pattern like that, then we put the entry and the initial stop loss. Now after we have then entered into this, so we have our direction here. As you can see, we are taking a short on this trade, so that's the direction we are taking. And after we take a short, then the next thing is very important that you can only focus on, and it's the only control you have, is trade management. How are you going to trail your stop loss? And the other thing is, how are you going to exit? In terms of exit, there's only two choices you got: either an arbitrary target or you exit live, okay, based on market conditions. So whatever that you do, you have to have it all pre-planned and focused and clear and consistently then executed. So far in this trade we are up so far in this hour, but that's not the thing we should be focusing on. Our focus should be just in our trade management and to manage our trade flawlessly and with precision. Okay, right, I'll pause the video over here and then we'll see how this trade carries on to be. Okay traders, as you can see, as we are approaching near to the end of the hour, it is coming very near to our target, okay? That's not the point, but the most important focus for you should be how you're going to trade manage this trade at the end of the hour, which we will be doing. Now, just in case some of you are wondering which are the videos to look at in terms of the stretch principles, so I will just show you this, guys. So let me bring this up. So here, there you go. So these are the two videos that you can definitely watch on our YouTube channel. Applying stretch in live market conditions and market update. 22nd October 2021 on stretch. Okay, these two things will be really very helpful. The link to our channel is youtube.com/master the markets. Okay, so that's that over there. And then you can subscribe, you can hit the bell icon, and you can get all the notifications as we're doing the live trading session videos. As you can see traders, now the bar is closed already. It's the end of the hour. So what we'll do now, as you can see that just now it was getting very near to our target. Now it's retraced all the way up. And sometimes, sometimes the emotions might get triggered. You might be fearful and you might just say, you know what, let me just take my money and run. Remember one thing is that as professionals, this is unrealized profit. This is not yours yet. All you need to keep your focus on is your trade management. And the other thing is, you must always be consistent with your execution. This is how the numbers are going to work in the long run. So as of now, my focus is the trade management. Where am I going to trail my stop loss? To minimize my realized loss, also to lock in some profits. That's the objective of trading stop loss. So now I'll trade it to the high of this bar as of now, and the high of that bar is 3044. So to take out that high with 3045, 1 pip spread is 3046. So that's what I've done over here. Trailed it to 13046, and that is it. That's my trade management done, and I will leave that for the end of the hour, and we'll see how that trade progresses. And of course, traders, if some of the terminology or concepts you're unsure of in this video, feel free to go and look at our Trader Starter Pack video series. Highly recommend it. 12 years of collated research taught by institutional quant traders. Okay, definitely watch it. High value. Right, I'll pause this video and we'll see how it carries on. Hello traders, as you can see over here, the trade has now hit the target over here. So that is our 3020. It's gone through it. And as you can see, the patience paid off. That's why I said that let go of the outcome and just focus on your trade management, okay, and your plan. That's why you must be very clear before you get into the trade of what you are looking for to enter, what you are getting to exit, and also finally, very important, your trade management, and if all the numbers will work out. In fact, we talk a lot about this in our Trade Like a Master video series as well, but I would just say begin off with Trader Starter Pack. Really great content that we've put together with over 12 years of collated research taught by institutional quant traders. Alright traders, that's all from me on this video, and as we always say, till the next time, stay disciplined, follow your trading plan, and keep trading like a master.
If you want to get notified every time we put a video up, especially on our live trading update videos, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications icon. This will get the YouTube algos to kick in and for you to join us in our mission to spread the truth of trading further, so that traders like you can benefit from our videos to trade like a master, achieve consistent performance, and change lives.